Hello, my name is Jennifer Nicole Dixon. I am 26 years old and I am currently a radiation therapist. I am from South Boston, Virginia. My mother's name is Gloria Dixon, who lives in South Boston, Virginia. My father, who's John Dixon, also lives in South Boston, Virginia. I have two siblings. I have a younger brother, Daryl Dixon, who is currently 23, who lives in South Boston, Virginia. And I also have an older brother, Jonathan Dixon, who is 30, who lives in Germany. Jonathan has two girls, which are my nieces, Kalina, who is 3, and Jordan, who is 1. They are currently living in North Dakota with their mother, who is also in the military. I am currently employed at Carilion Memorial Hospital, where I am an active radiation therapist. My career path started when I graduated high school. I went to Southside Virginia Community College for general studies. Then I applied at a X-ray program in Danville, Virginia, which was a 2-year program. After I finished that program, I was a certified radiologic technologist, in which I wanted to go farther, so I decided to move to Roanoke to go to radiation therapy school at Virginia Western Community College. This program was 15 months. After successfully completing that program, I immediately got a job and began to work. I love doing radiation therapy because I love working with cancer patients. Cancer patients are the best patients. They are very sincere and they are just a joy to work with. I absolutely love my job. I am currently going to school at Bluefield College to get a bachelor's degree in behavioral science. I decided to do that because I wanted to have my education complete. I wanted to feel that I have some type of degree under my belt. After completing Bluefield College, I would love to go on and be a clinical coordinator of a radiation therapy program. The clinical coordinator duties are to instruct the students on how to be a well atmosphered radiation therapist. My hobbies are going to school, reading, hanging out with friends, going to movies, going out to eat, and also going home to visit with my family. This has been my introductory speech. Thank you.